Case study, Balancing AI and Human Expertise, a case study on incident response in cybersecurity. When the clock struck midnight, alarms blared in the dimly lit office of Cybersecure Solutions. The head of IT, John, rushed in to see a screen filled with notifications indicating multiple intrusions in the company's network. The team had prepared for this moment, but how well would their incident response plan hold against this unforeseen attack? Cybersecure Solutions, a mid-sized financial services firm, had felt the increasing pressure of evolving cyber threats and had thus integrated artificial intelligence into their incident response process. This case highlights the critical significance of AI in managing and mitigating the impact of security breaches. The company had meticulously prepared by establishing a robust incident response plan. They conducted regular training sessions for employees to recognize potential security threats. The firm also invested in AI-driven tools to automate the gathering and analysis of threat intelligence. This foundation was crucial, but would it suffice when faced with a real threat? The initial question arises: how effective is the preparation phase in ensuring readiness against sophisticated cyber threats? As John delved into the incident, the AI-powered detection system identified an unusual pattern in the network traffic, suggesting a potential security breach. Traditional signature-based detection methods might miss novel threats, but the AI system was specifically trained to recognize unfamiliar patterns. Further analysis confirmed the presence of a security incident. At this juncture, it is pertinent to ask, how do AI-powered detection systems compare to traditional methods in identifying new or unknown threats? The containment phase began as the AI systems isolated the compromised sections of the network. Automated network segmentation dynamically adjusted configurations to prevent the spread of malware. John marveled at the speed and precision with which the AI implemented containment strategies. However, he wondered, could relying solely on AI for containment lead to unforeseen issues, and what role do human interventions play in such scenarios? Next, the team transitioned to the eradication phase. Using AI-driven malware analysis tools, they identified the root cause of the breach. The AI quickly neutralized the malicious code, ensuring no traces remained. John recognized the efficiency of AI but pondered, how can organizations ensure the accuracy of AI in identifying and neutralizing threats, especially those that evade traditional measures? With the immediate threat neutralized, the recovery phase commenced. The AI systems facilitated the restoration of affected services and verified the integrity of restored systems. Detailed post-recovery assessments highlighted areas needing improvement. A critical question emerged: what are the potential risks if residual threats remain undetected during the recovery phase, and how can AI mitigate these risks? The final step involved analyzing the incident to extract valuable lessons. The AI aggregated data from the incident, generating detailed reports and actionable insights. Machine learning algorithms identified trends and potential future threats, enabling the organization to proactively address vulnerabilities. This led John to reflect: how can organizations refine their incident response plans based on insights from past incidents, and what role does AI play in enhancing resilience? Reflecting on the incident, John acknowledged the invaluable role of AI throughout the response process. Yet, he realized that the human element remained indispensable. AI could provide data and recommendations, but strategic decisions required human judgment. This raised an essential consideration: how can organizations balance the use of AI with human oversight to ensure comprehensive incident response? The WannaCry ransomware attack of 2017 serves as a pertinent example. Organizations with robust incident response plans swiftly contained the ransomware, minimizing its impact. AI tools were instrumental in detecting the ransomware spread and automating response actions. This case underscores the potential of AI in enhancing incident response, but it also highlights the importance of continuous refinement and human oversight. Ultimately, the incident at Cybersecure Solutions reinforced several key lessons. Firstly, preparation is foundational. An effective incident response plan, regular training, and AI-driven threat intelligence gathering form the bedrock of readiness. Integrating AI into the detection phase significantly enhances the ability to identify novel threats, while AI-driven containment strategies offer speed and precision. However, the reliance on AI should be balanced with human oversight to address unforeseen challenges. Moreover, the eradication phase benefits immensely from AI's ability to analyze and neutralize sophisticated threats. Ensuring the accuracy of AI models requires high-quality data and continuous updates. During the recovery phase, AI aids in restoring operations and verifying system integrity, but residual threats must be meticulously addressed to prevent future incidents. Analyzing past incidents is crucial for refining incident response plans and building resilience. AI provides detailed insights and predictive analytics, but human expertise is vital in interpreting these insights and making strategic decisions. Organizations must strive for a balanced approach, leveraging the strengths of AI while maintaining the critical human element. As cybersecure solutions moved forward, John and his team incorporated the lessons learned into their incident response strategy. They continued to invest in AI technologies, recognizing their potential to enhance detection, containment, eradication, recovery, and analysis. However, they remained vigilant in ensuring that their AI systems were continuously updated and refined, and they emphasized the importance of human oversight and strategic decision-making. The incident demonstrated the transformative potential of AI in incident response, but it also highlighted the need for a comprehensive approach that integrates technology with human expertise. By leveraging AI, organizations can significantly strengthen their incident response capabilities, mitigate the impact of security incidents, and enhance their overall cybersecurity posture. However, achieving this requires a commitment to continuous improvement, collaboration, and a balanced approach that recognizes the strengths and limitations of both AI and human intervention. In conclusion, the incident at Cybersecure Solutions serves as a compelling case study on the integration of AI into the incident response process. It underscores the importance of preparation, the enhanced detection capabilities provided by AI, the efficiency of AI-driven containment and eradication strategies, the critical role of AI in the recovery phase, and the value of detailed analysis and insights for continuous improvement. By reflecting on these lessons and considering the questions raised, organizations can refine their incident response strategies, enhance their resilience, and better prepare for the evolving landscape of cyber threats.